Come visit the Southern colonies. The Southern colonies are warm and sunny.
The 5 colonies of the South: Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia.
The social class of the South. In the first picture, we see 2 plantation owners sitting in their home. And in the second picture, we see a bunch of slaves working on a field.
Cash crops in the Southern colonies. In the Southern colonies, they grew tobacco, indigo, rice, cotton, and sugar. Indigo was used as dye, cotton was used for clothes, tobacco, rice, and sugar were shipped to England for money.
The Southern colonies depended on the Mid-Atlantic colonies for grain and livestock, and the New England colonies for manufactured goods, tools, and equipment.
Southern geography. The geography was made of the Appalachian Mountains, Piedmont, and the Atlantic coastal plain. The climate is warm and humid.
Social and political life of the South. The southern region consisted of mainly the Church of England. On plantations there was slavery, indentured servants, and few schools. For civic life there were counties.
Thanks for watching!